This is a parliamentary dictation with speed of 60 words a minute, taken from Progressive Shorthand Monthly, February 2025, exercise 17. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready? Unfortunately, the proper development of affiliated colleges has not received the attention it deserves. The vast majority of them is in the private sector and is subject to its strengths as well as weaknesses. While some colleges in metropolitan areas are very big, about 45% have an enrollment of less than 500. As higher education is spreading to rural areas, the proportion of such institutions is tending to grow. As in size, they also show a very wide range in quality. Many of these institutions have low standards due to poor facilities and mediocre staff, while some are outstanding institutions which can compare favorably with university departments. Their finances are often unsatisfactory, especially because the grants in aid systems are generally out of date and often badly administered. Para. The university is responsible for their academic standards, while the state government are responsible for their grants in aid. The dichotomy also adds to their difficulties, especially because the close collaboration needed between the two is sometimes absent. Added to all this, there is often an unhealthy rivalry between university departments and affiliated colleges or between the colleges themselves. I am of the view that in the larger interests of improving standards in higher education, it is necessary to concentrate for the next 5 to 10 years on improving the quality of affiliated colleges. Several measures will have to be taken to this end. The location of colleges will have to be carefully planned so as to avoid the creation of small institutions which tend to be uneconomic and inefficient. Our attempt should be to ensure that within about 5 years or so of its establishment, each college must have an enrollment of not less than 500. The courses to be provided in college should be carefully coordinated, especially where a town or cities more than one college. Para intensive programs of in service education through summer institutes and other means should be developed for the staff affiliated colleges. The system of grants in aid should be liberalized so that the colleges can afford to have adequate staff of high quality as well as good teaching facilities. The universities should strive to assist the colleges to supplement their facilities through common programs and a much closer liaison should be built up between the universities and state governments in a common program to improve standards of colleges in the country. Stop.